Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a special English learning video. This video is packed with everyday English conversations just for you. Let's get started on this fun learning adventure together. Question number 1. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Lily. What's your name?
Oh, hi, I'm Sarah.
Cool. Nice to meet you, Sarah. Are you new here?
Yeah, I just started today.
That's awesome. How do you like it here so far?
It seems okay, I guess.
Do you know which class you're in yet?
Not really. I think I'm in Mrs. Smith's class, but I'm not sure.
Oh, Mrs. Smith's class. I had her last year. She's really nice.
That's good to know. I hope she's nice to me too.
Well, if you need help finding your classes or anything, I can show you around.
Thanks, that would be nice.
Question number 2. What's your favorite animal?
Hi, Jack. How was your day at school?
Hi, Sophia. It was good, thanks. How about yours?
Do you ever wonder what it's like to fly like those birds?
Yeah, it would be amazing to soar in the sky.
Agreed, it would. But what's your favorite animal on the ground?
Oh, that's an easy one. I love dogs. They're so friendly and loyal.
Yeah, dogs are great. I have a pet dog named Max. He's like my best friend.
That's awesome. I wish I had a dog. Do you have any pets?
Yep, just Max. But I also have a cat named Whiskers. She's really fluffy and loves to nap all day.
Wow, you're lucky to have both a dog and a cat. I've always wanted a pet.
Pets are fun. Maybe you can come over sometime and play with Max and Whiskers.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Thanks, Sophia.
No problem, Jack. It's always nice to have someone to play with.
Question number 3. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Hi, Alex. How's everything?
Hey, Maya, I'm doing well. Thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Hey, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one older brother named Liam. He's in high school.
Oh, that's neat. What's he like?
Liam's pretty cool. He's into soccer and video games, and he's always teasing me about being the little brother.
Haha, sounds like he keeps you on your toes.
Definitely. What about you? Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a younger sister named Sophie. She's in the same grade as us.
Ah, that's cool. Do you two get along well?
Well, we have our moments. Sometimes we argue, but other times we have a lot of fun together.
Yeah, siblings can be like that. Liam and I argue too. But at the end of the day, we're still close.
Exactly. It's nice to have someone to talk to, even if we don't always agree.
Totally agree. Hey, do you want to play some board games later?
Sure, that sounds like fun. I'll bring some snacks too.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Question number 4. What's your plan?
Hey, Ben. Did you hear about the science fair coming up next week?
Yeah, I heard about it.
What's your plan for the upcoming event?
I'm thinking of doing an experiment with plants. How about you?
I'm planning to build a model volcano. It's going to be so much fun.
Wow, that sounds awesome. You're really creative, Emma.
Thanks, Ben. I can't wait to see what everyone else comes up with too. Hey, Ben, have you seen this poster about the art club meeting after school?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It says they're planning to do a mural project in the courtyard. I love painting, so I'm definitely going to check it out.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I might join too. I've been wanting to improve my drawing skills.
You should definitely come. The more, the merrier.
Thanks, Emma. I'll make sure to be there.
Question number 5. What is your favorite cartoon?
What's your favorite cartoon?
Oh, that's an easy one. I love watching Adventure Time. It's so cool.
Yeah, Adventure Time is awesome. I like it too, especially Finn and Jake's adventures.
They're the best. What about you, Emily? What's your favorite cartoon?
It's hard to choose just one, but I really enjoy SpongeBob SquarePants. It's so funny.
Oh, I love SpongeBob too. Patrick is hilarious.
Totally. And the adventures they go on are always so wacky and fun.
Yeah. Hey, have you seen the latest episode where they go jellyfishing?
Yes, I did. It was so funny when SpongeBob got tangled up in the jellyfish net.
I know, right? SpongeBob always finds himself in the silliest situations.
Yeah, that's what makes the show so entertaining.
Liam, it's time to go home.
Aw, I have to go, Emily. But this was fun. We should talk about cartoons again sometime.
Definitely. See you later, Liam.
Question number 6. Do you need a ride?
Lily, hi. What are you doing here? Shouldn't you be at school?
Hey, Ben. Yeah, but I missed the bus. It was crazy this morning.
Oh no, that's not good. Need a ride?
Really? That would be awesome. Are you sure it's okay?
Of course. Get in, we'll go to school together. So, what happened? Did you sleep in again?
Yeah, my alarm didn't work. It's been a rough morning.
Well, I'm glad I can help. We can grab some snacks on the way if you want.
Thanks, Ben. You're the best cousin ever.
No problem, Lily. Family helps each other, right?
Question number 7. Do you like tea or coffee?
Hi, Sam. Thanks for coming out today. How are you liking the city so far?
Hey, Emma. Thanks for inviting me. The city is pretty cool, but everything feels so different from where I used to live.
I can imagine. It's always a big change moving to a new place. Where did you move from?
I moved from a small town upstate. It's much quieter there, not as many tall buildings and busy streets like here.
That sounds nice in its own way. What made you decide to move here?
Well, I wanted to experience something different, you know. Plus, there are more job opportunities in the city.
That makes sense. So, tea or coffee? They make a really good chai latte here.
I think I'll go with coffee today. Thanks.
No problem. Do you like strong coffee or something milder?
I prefer something milder, thanks.
Got it. I'll let the waiter know.
Question number 8. Where are you going?
Hi there.
Hello.
So, where are you going?
Oh, I'm headed to the city, visiting some friends. How about you?
Same here, actually. Visiting family. It's been a while since I've been back.
Ah, family visits are always nice. Do you live in the city?
No, I live a few hours away. How about you? Do you live in the city?
No, I live in a smaller town nearby. I like visiting the city for a change of pace.
Question number 9. What's your hobby?
Hey Jason, I've been meaning to ask, do you have any hobbies besides jogging?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm really into photography. I love capturing the beauty of nature and the world around me through my lens.
That sounds amazing. How long have you been into photography?
I've been taking photos for as long as I can remember, but I've become more serious about it in the past few years. There's just something magical about freezing a moment in time.
That's so cool. I bet you have some incredible photos in your collection.
Thanks. I'd love to show you sometime. In fact, how about I take a photo of the beach and the sunset right now?
Yes, please. That would be amazing. Thank you, Jason. That was really special.
Question number 10. What's your favorite season?
Liam, I've been wondering, what's your favorite season?
I really like summer. The sun is shining, and there are so many fun things to do outside.
Summer is nice. Do you have any favorite summer activities?
Yeah, I love going swimming at the beach and having barbecues with friends and family.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Summer really is the perfect time for outdoor activities.
Definitely. How about you, Sophia? What's your favorite season?
I prefer winter. I love the cozy feeling of being bundled up in warm clothes and drinking hot cocoa by the fireplace.
Winter has its charm too. Do you enjoy any specific winter activities?
I love building snowmen and having snowball fights with my siblings. And of course, celebrating the holidays with my family is always special.